So hello, good evening. It's your boy once again. That's Maxwell Duapeme. I'm here to show you a little skill that has earned some folks fortune on marketplaces like Fiverr, like Upwork. If you don't know what Upwork or Fiverr means, I'll leave a link to my book about what Upwork is and how it can make your life better working online out of the comfort of your home. Now I want to show you a very simple skill that some folks sell on platforms like Fiverr or even Upwork. Alright, and that skill is what we call Google Ads. What is Google Ads? Google Ads is just a space or a platform that allows you to market products. Some of you who are affiliate marketers, some of you who have one digital product or the other, and that you would like to bring to the knowledge of a wider range of customers. So you can use Google Ads. Now, to get Google Ads, you just go over to Play Store if you're on Android like me. As you can see, mine is asking for updates, which means that if you have not previously installed it, you will find install on that space. Give it a few seconds, and then Google Ads would have downloaded into your device. Then you wait it out a little bit. After it has finished downloading, it will install. As you can see, it is installing. When it is done installing, it will give you the privilege to click on open, just as you can see that it has done in my own case. I'm pretty sure that if you are on Android, you will not need to sign in. This is because Android OS is owned by Google, and for you to be able to run your Android, download the should I call them applications, you would have entered your Google email, that's your Gmail account, and the password. It is what enables the Android operating system to function effectively. So now you have opened the space. You can see that I already have some previous ads that I already ran on this space, but I'm just going to create a new one now, just for this for the sake of it. So I'll go ahead and click on new campaign. Let's say this is you. You are starting a new ad. You have, let's say, a book you have written. You have a particular website you want people to go visit whenever they click on a particular link. This is what you are going to put on this page. So look at what he's saying. Let's you start your campaign. How do you get new customers? Is it by phone calls? Excuse me. Or is it by website traffic? Or is it by visit to your physical location? In my case here, I'm going to pick, or let's say I'm going to select website traffic. By the way, if you do not have a website, I can also still show you how Google allows you to build a website for free just because you have a Google account. Now it's saying set up your campaign quickly by linking your accounts. Now I have the name of my business, which is Electra Analytics. So this is my business name. This is the name that you will find on my website that I built on Google for free. Then you hit on next. My physical address location is also included. Unfortunately, just because Google knows that I have this website, as you can see, it is www.https://sites.google.com view slash Electra Analytics slash resources slash auto user equal to 0. Now this is the web address for the page in my book, a page in my website where my 3 books that I have written are located. And I want people who will click on this link to get straight to that particular point. Next, I need to now only click next. And then it will scan. As you can see, it has gone to the website and has uploaded pages of that particular page of my website in this space. Then I can also again click next, after which it will roll again, and then it gives you room to enter headlines. You are free to enter as many headlines as you want, but minimum of 3. So let's say I can just say books about, let's say, online business. Okay. All right. So books about online business. Second headline, how to make passive, let's say passive income online. Then what is it saying? Okay, it's longer than longer than 30 characters. You have to make sure that it's how to make let's see, how can I tweak it now? Let's say passive making, okay, making passive income. That may make it shorter. Online, making passive income online. All right. Next, become, let's say I write become a pro entrepreneur. All right, entrepreneur. I think these 3 headlines will suffice for now. This description gives you room to describe books. Let's say books about remote work. Okay, remote work, passive, let's say online passive income. Now you can use what we have, what we are doing now, online passive income, to, all right, let's say we have just those 2 descriptions. You can use this to market your Amazon KDP books or any other digital product that you have. So my phone number, if you like, you can call me 003-884-6470. All right. And I think I've entered as much information that I require. Then I say next. When you say next, it's telling us that something went wrong. What is that? Maybe is that 0? Let's check it out. What is it I have not completed? 2 descriptions. My phone number is correct. Address is correct. Something must be wrong. Well, I don't know what is wrong right now, but let me try it again. Read the instruction. What is it? Something went wrong while performing an operation. Okay. So you only need to click next, and as soon as you get to a certain point, you'll be notified that you will that they are reviewing your ad, and if they are satisfied with that, it will become live. So this is how you can create a Google ad If you want to learn more, please leave a comment for me in the comment section, and do well to check out the book using the link that you will find in the description of this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.